Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, talk about the always on display functionality in the Poco F3 GT device. As you can see, this is a Poco F3 GT. So it's a question which has been requested by most of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So let's see what are the features the Poco F3 GT has got in terms of the always on display functionality. So let's go to the settings option. In the settings option, you can actually find the always on display. In the always on display, there is a option on the top. So after you enable the always on display, the first thing you need to do is to give the permission for what type of time you want. I mean, for 10 seconds you want, or maybe always it should show on the lock screen, or maybe if you want, you can actually schedule the time as well, as you can see. So this is the first thing you need to do, because if you try to leave it in the always mode, the battery will be draining a little bit kind of more than usual in the standby mode. So most of the time I'll try to prefer for 10 seconds time only, of just by tapping it. That is how it works for 10 seconds. So right now it's on the table, as you can see friends. After 10 seconds the always on display will be disabled completely, and if I want to see the time or anything, I just need to tap on the screen once, and then I'll be able to see the time. As you can see, right now it got disabled. Let me tap on the screen. Yes, as you can see, I did see the time coming, as you can see friends. So this is how it works always on display. So I think, in my opinion, the first option should be kind of really good. And next is a theme option. So here you do have you can actually customize your own image from adding from the gallery as well. All your images, as you can see, there are plenty of images you can add from the gallery. Let me add one of my pic, and you can actually zoom in to the pic as well, as you can see exactly. And there's two different shades where you can actually assign the colors. As you can see friends, this is always on display. And next, you can actually change the text color as well, which is in the bottom line. As you can see, you can actually change the colors. And clock position also you can actually change in this way. Clock position, not bad. And you can actually enable the showing the battery percentage and showing the notifications as well. So in this way you can actually customize your own themes. As you can see from different themes you got right now. And this one image, and next image you can add a different person. So in this way you can actually customize your own themes in the Poco F3 GT. And if you don't want the themes or images, you can only have the text as well, as you can see. So in the text option you can actually write your own quotation, whatever you want, and you can actually apply. And it also looks kind of really cool, not bad at all in my opinion, as you can see, which looks completely cool. So you can actually enable only the text as well. That's pretty good. So if you want, you can enable the battery as well, at least to display the charging percentage. I think charging percentage is not showing. Let me click apply. Now the theme is applied. Maybe now it might show. Yeah, now it's showing the battery symbol as well. So in this way you can actually enable what are the things you want and what are the things you don't want as well. That's fantastic, as you can see. Let me write down the text, how long you can actually type. I'm just trying to see the maximum input. Yeah, text has got the maximum limit input, so you cannot enter more than that limit at this moment in the Poco F3 GT device. That's the one thing. Even though you need to decrease the font size, only then it will be able to, you can actually see in the complete lock screen, I think so. As you can see, right now let me show you. So I did make the text really small, and in case if you want, you can actually make it big text. As you can see, these are the different variations you can actually have, these kind of options. So which is really good. I did like this kind of customization level in this device, in the Poco F3 GT device. As you can see friends, exactly, that's fantastic. And you do have different clock options as well, so which also another fantastic. And you do have different clock faces you can add. There's so many different clock faces, as you can see friends. That's really good to see. And wave dial, not bad. And these are the live always on display modes, I think so. Let me try to show you the live means. So once you lock the screen, you'll see this kind of animation coming, the live animation, as you can see friends, exactly. Those are the another modes you do have. So not only that, you do have the digital mode as well. In the digital mode you do have plenty of options. So here you cannot change any kind of position of the clock, but you can actually change the color of the clock. That's another thing. And select the background. So these are another backgrounds. You do have different backgrounds and different customizations, as you can see here. So right now let me lock the screen and show you. So these are the quick details friends on the Poco F3 GT in terms of the always on display functionality in this device. So in this way you'll be able to add your own custom image, and you can create your own custom themes as well, which is very fast to set always on display in the Poco F3 GT if you try to create any kind of custom themes. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, don't forget to check the playlist for more information, and these how you can actually display more text if you try to decrease the size of the text as well. That is what I thought of explaining before. And thank you for watching, and that's it friends. These are your own themes to do our option here, and in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off, I'll try to compare this always on display from the POCO F3 GT versus other UIs, maybe OnePlus Nord 2 or Realme X1 Max. So then you'll be able to understand a little bit kind of more better. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.